Good evening, sir. Good evening. Our report I discuss is about 10 golden rule of investigation. We know that investigation have a role to be a success. So an investigator follow the golden rule to it. The golden rule to all of this movie have a pattern. So and golden rule is a part of the investigation that can be applied when an investigator will in the crime scene. So in the golden rule number one is everything is recorded. So investigator uh, first move of the investigator is when all the thing of the crime scene is will be recorded. So like evidence, place, things, or what happens of the crime scene. uh, Investigator will be record that, so that when in apply in the court, investigator can can provide a good and a good evidence to the judge. That's the first. Huh? The, that is the first golden rule of. Uh, that is the golden rule of number one. That is the everything is record. So the number two, before you remove your record. So in number one, number two, investigator record all of he removed in the crime scene. So when a judge questioning the evidence, and judge will want to see in the crime scene, and you want to recall all recall all the recall all the evidence, where they got it, or where they remove it in the crime scene. So such the golden rule number two will be important, because an investigator will will uh, will uh, will use the pattern of the golden rule number two. That is the remove the remove that is the record all he removed. And the number three, uh, is, in case of doubt of the evidence, that in this doubt of collecting evidence, an investigator will collect it, because there sometimes an evidence can be have impact in even it's small, or uh, even it's small, or uh, a thing that it's so far in the crime scene. So uh, uh, investigator shall collect if he have a doubt in the evidence, like a can, or a glass that maybe a suspect or a suspect hold it, and the fingerprint will pag ng mabilin.
Na?
May bilin.
Magkate.
Di may bilin ba? Oh, see. It means the
Magkate.
the
Bis-bisan.
the fingerprint of suspect will put in a glass, and will be a good it will be a evidence for evidence for the crime. That is so important in number 3. So always an investigator collect if he or she doubt in the evidence. So now the investigator, the golden rule number 4 is after the search and conduct walkthrough. So this investigator walk back in the crime scene in the pattern way. So if he miss a thing that can be evidence to the crime, he use the important of the golden rule number 4, the walkthrough, because every evidence or everything that find in the crime scene is an important in the court. So always search, always conduct a walkthrough. So the number 5 is once evidence is collected, proceed immediately to the crime laboratory. So an evidence is so important to proceed immediately, because if evidence will contaminated, all of the evidence, all of the thing in the evidence will be destroyed, because it already contaminated. So an investigator shall apply the golden rule of be proceed in the crime lab. So it will be in process immediately. So that is number 5. The golden rule number 6 is in case of doubt of quality specimen, collect high quality. So an investigator collect more specimen, because every specimen that you collect is an important to move in the crime lab, because now the evidence of specimen is important to justify the suspect or if it is in the victim. So to have no doubt, collect everything that you see, collect high semen in the crime scene. So that is important of the golden rule number 6. So in golden rule number 7, you record the time, the date, and the place of the crime scene until the process ends. So always in the golden rule, always record the date, because when the date is not recorded, the prosecutor or judge will manghinala.
Well, accuse naman.
Uh,
Doubt.
the judge will have the doubt, because the investigator have not record the date of the crime scene of the crime will happen. So always record the date and the time of the crime scene, because the time is so important to clarify to prove that the crime is in that exact time that he need or he had happened. So always record the time, so and the place of the crime scene. So when a crime scene will happen, there's a place to record. So when the judge have doubt, you can prove it that the place is in that the crime is that in the place. So you can prove the judge that it is correct that that is the place that you record. So the judge has no doubt, and the process of the process of the process in the court will be move on. So that is the number 7. So the number 8, the golden number 8 is do not overlook the suspect and the victim background, and you can save time and effort. So in golden rule number 8, it's so important to remember that respect the side of the suspect and the victim. So a victim shall an investigator should can interview or question the suspect and the victim direct in the what happened in the crime. Don't waste their time in not pattern in the question, how the pattern the happened in the crime. So always direct the question in the what happened or what they see in the happening of the happening of the crime scene. So or question them in particular question them in good and good behavior, good approach to them. So if you do that, you can save the time and the effort of the suspect and the victim can the effort of the victim and the suspect will have will sir? Yeah. The number 9 is use proper container in collecting the evidence. So a container can be protect all the contamination of the evidence. So when you use a proper container, the proper container is the patanganan ba?
Dinner.
Container ba? Container.
Bottle.
Mga batol, mga basta itong mga suranan ba na matakuban na masil o karong mo na
Container.
container da. The evidence will put that and seal it in sack so that the evidence will not contaminated and it will not destroyed. So an investigator always use that golden rule number 9 to have a good evidence to prove to say in the court that it not sila ng babaya the investigator give his best in this responsibility that
Give your best.
so not
Productive siya na.
responsibility to their work to not
responsible.
not destroy to their evidence. So always use golden rule number 9. So in golden rule number 10, so tadi wasa ba hasa ko manon na koy record. Golden rule number 10, always use biohazard. So in investigation, investigator always use gloves, Always gloves. Ang gloves sir. Ah, investigator. Investigator always use gloves. Example gloves. So gloves is so important in investigation. So he can touch the he can touch the evidence and he can put it in the proper container. So so he proper container. So and when using gloves, the container or the evidence cannot be contaminated. So gloves is so important in the crime scene. So and gloves is required in a required in the investigator. So uh, always use it. Di ni siya mausap pero bibigay isang example. So
Surgical mask.
mask is important for an investigator. So 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 can investigator can talk to or talk to their to this body to communicate by not removing this he or she out, not containing the evidence in the crime scene. So the saliva will if investigator is so irresponsible, the saliva will when investigator is so irresponsible and not used it proper, the saliva of investigator will drop in the body or things or in things where small things in the evidence in the crime scene, and it all evidence will contaminated because of the irresponsible of an investigator. So in investigation, that is all about in the it's about golden rule. So if an investigator not follow the 10 important rule of the investigation, so it can break or it can be destroyed the pattern of how important of the investigation. So always use always remind that 10 golden rule of investigation is important of investigator. So already said it. I have a question. Before that one, there's many biohazard that can put in the can be used of investigator in the crime scene, but I have two example because two example you can see in the house, sir. So I have nothing to discuss. I have 1 minute man. So question? No. Question? So
Why advance?
that's all, sir, and
And
naman din. Sa may prime tama, sir.
any don't have any questions.
That's all.
Amen.
Huh?
That's all.
That's all.
Okay, good evening. Good evening.
Evening, sir, and bye. Thank you.